Magkukuwento lang ako nung nagkita kami ni Jan, ako hindi ako gano'n tawag nito, well-versed sa ganitong kind of asset class 'no. So naging
Mhm.
vulnerable ako sa kanya, sabi ko, "Bro, kailangan ko kasi ng step by step na process." May mga konting knowledge na ako pero hindi pa talaga ako gano'n kasi investor ako, hindi ako yung trader 'no, at hindi ako kasing galing mga mga scalper, yung mga day trader na 'yan. Kaya nga, itong community na 'to, isa sa mga pinaka-comprehensive na, napasukan ko and sobrang patient nila pagdating sa, step by step process 'no.
When I got to know the community, they have ang ganda kasi ng community. It's what I want to be a part of kasi they have very good values. And besides the excellence that they always display, they always think about the members' growth. Yung iba kasing communities, what they want or what they always focus on is like yung mga founders nila, yung gusto kumita lang sila, sila yung kumikita tapos sinasabing kumikita yung members but they're also earning from their members. Dito kasi they're always trying to diversify, they're always trying to improve the chances or the ano tawag diyan, the ways that you can earn more. Hindi lang si Izanagi